Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. What did you guys do? If you guys want to let me know in the comment section what you guys did. I haven't really been doing anything too crazy. You guys know that my mom is here from Mexico, and we've just really been spending time with her and spending time with my tios and my tias and all that fun stuff. So yeah, just a little update. I am going to be doing a love life. What? I am going to be doing a life update very soon. As you guys know, I recently got engaged. So there is so much to talk to you guys about, but yeah, today is Makeup Monday, which means we are doing this makeup tutorial. I have been wanting to do a I think they call them an ombre cut or reverse ombre cut crease, something like that. I don't know. But I really wanted to use this Moira Unravel Destiny Eye and Face palette because I really have been liking this brand and I really like their eyeshadows. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to show you guys how they perform. I know that a lot of you guys don't like voiceovers, but I had a lot of family members over while I was getting ready and it would have been so noisy. So I hope you guys understand and enjoy this video, and let's jump right into this makeup tutorial. We're starting off with the base. I'm taking the Born This Way concealer and I'm applying that all over the lids. This is what I like to use as my primer. I have been setting it lately. This is the number 3 under eye brightening powder by KKW. I love this stuff. It is so good. For my eye today, I am taking the Moira Unravel palette. This is the Destiny Eye and Face palette. I'm taking the shade April, which is a really light brown, and I'm applying that on the highest point of my crease, I guess. I have slightly hooded eyes, so I do bring my colors up a little bit higher than, I don't know, people that don't have hooded eyes. For my next shade, I'm going to go in with Enchanting. Guys, the formula on this palette is Fuego. It is such a good palette. The highlights are really good and the blush that it comes with is really pretty as well. Now, to make things a little bit more sultry, I'm taking the shade Bold, which is a really pretty, like, deep chocolate color. I am doing a half cut crease and I know you guys have been wanting me to switch it up, so I kind of did the same, except we added a little bit of twist. I went in with Soon To Be, which is the darkest shade, and I made that super intense. If you guys notice, I do go back a few times with different brushes because I am a perfectionist when it comes to my blending. So take your time when blending and I swear it will pay off at the end. Again, I am cutting my crease with that Too Faced concealer. Nothing new here. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm taking the shade Pure, which is the most beautiful white vanilla shade. And this entire look is a very matte look because we are doing that reverse ombre. I'm going back into Enchanting and I'm applying that to the outer crease. As you can see, it gives it a really pretty color when mixed with that shade Pure. And then I went back with Bold and Soon To Be just to make everything nice and gradient. For my wing, I took the Pro Conceal by LA Colors. This is actually a new shade. It's a shade that is called White. It is so beautiful. I love it. You can use it to highlight underneath your eyes, pretty much anywhere. And it is so creamy and pigmented that it worked really well. So I just drew my wing and then I went back and filled it in as much as I could. Then we're doing the reverse eyeliner. So first we're going with Soon To Be, Bold, and then Enchanting. I get tongue twisted. I really love the way this look turned out. It's so pretty to look at. I think I want to try it again, but with like different colors, maybe like pinks or reds or blues. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this look and if you like it. Now I am taking my collection with Lash Kitty. This is the Glam On collection. And I am taking Drama Queen. These lashes are so fluffy, so 3D, so like bam in your face. I love them. I am taking a mix of the Makeup Forever matte primer and the Cover FX pore minimizing primer. Ugh, these two are such a good combo. If you guys have large pores and oily skin, honey, this is for ya. Take some notes. Just kidding. But this is such a good combo, you guys. I am oily skin. I know I've been saying this a lot, and you guys are probably like, okay, we get it. Your skin is dry. But it's crazy how much my skin has been changing. Anyway, for my foundation, I went in with the Hourglass Veil Foundation. I don't remember the shade, but I will have it listed down below. And for my concealers, I've been loving these two together. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and my Too Faced one. Just the colors that I put together, it's like the perfect combo. You guys know my love for the J. Cat's Porcelain Luxe Powder. It is bomb.com. Now for my face, I am taking this Cheekathon by Benefit, and I'm actually just using Hoola bronzer. I haven't used this in such a long time. I have been like organizing my makeup, and I'm trying to turn my Alex drawers into like acrylic organizers. So I've come across so much makeup, and I'm so excited to bring back all of these old school products that I haven't used in a minute. So yeah. I also dug this out of my pile. These are Beauty Junkies blushes. They're so creamy and so pigmented. I totally forgot I had these, and when I found them in my stash, I was like, yes. I'm mixing these two highlighters by Luxie Beauty. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot how foiled. Yeah, exactly. They are so pigmented. Y'all need these in your life. I'm also going to add some to the highest point of my brows to give me a little fake Botox look. Just kidding. It just makes your eyebrows look a little bit more arched. And then I'm taking the same colors and running them through my lower lash line. I also took Indulgent, which is the lightest gold highlight in the palette, and I applied that to the tip of my nose to make my nose a little bit more snatched. For my lipstick, I am taking these two, which have been my favorite lip combo. This is the Makeup Forever lip liner, and this is the Can's Beauty Caffeine Fix liquid lipstick. Y'all, oh my god, you need this combo like right now. And that is it. As soon as you are done with your lipstick, you are done with this reverse ombre makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!